Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, September the 1st, 2021, first day in the month September. Yes, we have here 3 regular Sudokus, Sudoku Medium, Binary Sudoku. I've solved this one, and after the Medium Sudoku, I will solve this baby mix Sudoku mix, aka killer Sudoku. But first, the medium. This one will be number 3328. Before I start, I always count or print the digits. This one has 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need let me see. We need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 sevens, 3 eights, 2 nines, 2 twos, 3 ones, 4 sixes. Okay, 3 threes and 2 fives. Let me start with a 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Alright, and I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 1, 2 fours? Okay. Yeah, the 6s. How about the 6s? 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Well, let me choose another digit. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Yeah. Again, I'm stuck. Let me choose another digit. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1. Okay. So now the 3. No, 3 I can't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay, let me continue. Short interruption. How about the 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row? So third row, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. How about the 1 number left in this row? The last row, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. Yeah. Then. 1, 1. And, how about the 6? I'm thinking 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 5. So, yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the third column. So the column between The second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright. Alright. Let me see. One number left in the middle column. Here we have 6 and a 5. 1 is missing. The 1 is missing. Okay. And then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see this number 4, number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in the third row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, and look, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 5 and number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box should be 5 in the more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there, finish in 50 minutes, exactly, yes. So, I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes, this one walks. I like this one, with the pace, with the, yeah, I have an interruption, so, well, 50 minutes, I'm glad, and I like this one, yes. If you like this one, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the third regular Sudoku. Again, thank you again, bye bye for now.